Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this session I'm going to tell you about the free certification for the Generative AI course. Now, what is a Generative AI? Generative AI is something which generates a content as per the prompts. So what is a prompt? Prompt is a message you give to a AI, something like I want to generate a image or a video. Then generative AI will generate that image or video for you. It may be a text also, it may be a image also, or it may be a video. It depends on a requirement you have and the prompt you have given to the generative AI. So let's get started on how we can do a generative AI course for the beginners for free. On a screen, you can see I have opened a website called as a Simplilearn, that is a skill up platform. And here we have a course called as a Generative AI for Beginners. Now this course is a free Generative AI course and you will be able to learn the AI skills online. This course is a free and it is of 4 hours of self-paced video lessons, which simply means that you will be able to learn the course at your own pace. Then after the completion, you will get a completion certificate, which will be awarded on a course completion, and you have a 90 days access to it. So as I said in my previous video, this Simplilearn platform provides a 90-day access to the free courses. So within 90 days, you have to complete this course and get the certification. There are total like 3000 plus members already enrolled. If you are just starting with the generative AI, then this course is for you. Unlock the potential of a generative AI for beginners in this exciting and beginner-friendly course. Learn the fundamental of AI-driven content creation, including text, image, and video generation. So, generative AI skills you will learn once you complete this course are like generative AI basics, AI models, text and image generation, prompt engineering, data pre-processing. Who should learn this free generative AI course? So if you are an AI engineer, AI research assistant, data scientist, NLP engineer, or deep learning specialist, then this course is for you. Now, if I go down, you can see there is a introduction and different modules which are available with this AI course. First is an introduction, then what is a generative AI, importance of a generative AI models, then we have an application of a generative AI, and after that we have a generative AI capabilities, and after that generative AI evolution. So these are the modules which are available with this course, and you will be able to understand these basic concepts of a generative AI. And once the course is completed, you will get a completion certificate like this. And here on a certificate, you will get a Simplilearn name. If I go down, so why should we learn this generative AI course? So the total expected size of a global generative AI market by 2030 is around $356.05 billion, which is very vast. And the average salary of an AI engineer is like 12.8 LPA in India, and it is 177K dollars in USA. About this course, you can explore the fascinating world of a generative AI in the beginner friendly course on a generative AI. So this is a beginner friendly course, and the topics covered, like I already explained, there are different topics which already covered in a module. And what are the benefits of completing this course is like you will get a foundation knowledge, then hands-on experience, portfolio building, career opportunity, and industry relevance. How you can build a career after completing this course, like you can pursue entry level roles like an AI intern, junior data analyst, or AI assistant. Then you can showcase this project in your resume, which means if you want to improve your resume, you can just do this course and add this certificate in your resume. Then there are some other related courses also, like introduction to prompt engineering, RAG course, and LangChain course. So you can just start doing this course and complete the free certification within the 90 days. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you can just like the video, share our video, and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in a comment section. See you in the next video.